How's it going, guys? It's Pee-wee's Lawn Care coming back at you with another video. In this video, what we're gonna be doing is changing out some shrubs that died due to the freeze out here in Houston, installing some mulch, installing new shrubs, some landscaping pavers. In this simple project, guys, all you need is minor tools. The only three things that you're gonna be needing is a rake, a shovel, and of course your material. So let's get on with the video, guys. Alrighty guys, what we're gonna be doing right here is removing all the old rock. I spoke to the customer, she didn't want the rocks, but what we did, we actually kept the bigger rocks so we could put it around the shrub. The shrub that we're gonna be installing right here is a Blue Point juniper. You can find this shrub in your nurseries, Home Depot, Lowe's, you know, your local garden centers. Right here, what I'm doing is I'm actually taking away some dirt and putting it over there in the flower bed, and I'm just loosening up the soil right here. I'll leave all the material list down below, so if you want to do something like this, or if you want to maybe get a shrub like this, you know, you could go ahead and find it. And yeah, hopefully you like the videos, guys. We've been putting a lot of effort on these videos. If you like them, since it does take me a lot of time, man, just give it a thumbs up. And yeah, this is actually literally like the third time that I'm doing the voiceover, so hopefully this is it, you know. And I'm right here, I put the mulch in, and I just put the rocks on the side so it can look a little bit more decent, you know. Then I'm just filling it with mulch. And then right here, this is the front of the house. I'm taking out the old shrubs, removing all that dirt. And what I noticed right here, I'm not sure who planted these shrubs, but they actually put the weed fabric first and then planted the shrubs. You don't want to do that, because I mean, the shrubs will still grow. They'll just like the roots will like go sideways, you know, instead of going down deep into the soil. And then I'm just leaving these shrubs on the side of the house, since I was gonna go pick up the shrubs. This was early in the morning, so I didn't pick up any dirt, guys. It looks like whenever they planted the shrubs, they put a lot of I'm not sure, it was like cow manure or topsoil, but they put a lot. So we just went ahead and reused the old dirt from the shrubs that we took out. And I just took out the little water feature and the little chair right there. Right here, what I'm doing is taking out the weeds. Right here, what I'm doing is I'm raking all the soil, make sure everything is leveled. Really nothing to it, guys, just raking. And a lot of people like to take out the old soil and throw it away. I just like, you know, reusing stuff. And yeah, the shrubs right here, they're the Japanese boxwood. Later on, these are gonna be growing and they're gonna become a hedge, so that's what we went with. You know, the customer, she's like, she told me to do whatever I wanted to. She didn't have nothing in mind. She just wanted it to look good, and she just wanted, you know, the HOA to stay out of her back. What I'm doing right here is I'm taking off the weed fabric. As you can see, it was laid on top of the shrubs they planted, so therefore the roots on the shrubs, on the previous shrubs, were going sideways. I'm just taking out a little bit of dirt right here, so whenever we put the shrubs right there, we can go ahead and backfill the dirt that we took off. There's nothing to it, guys, you know. Right here, I'm actually putting the shrubs, and it may look a little bit bad right here, but we're gonna actually backfill all these shrubs, so no roots are gonna be exposed. And then I'm just putting right here the edging back. I believe this edging You can find it anywhere too, like Home Depot or Lowe's. And then here comes the backfilling with the dirt, you know, making sure none of the roots are exposed to the air. I mean, it really it's not gonna make a difference if they're exposed. I've done plenty of tests with shrubs and all that, but yeah. And then right here we have the mulch bags. I'm just basically throwing them there. There's nothing to it, guys. I mean, if you want to knock this project out on a weekend, you can. And then right here I'm just raking all the mulch, make sure everything is spread, and make sure everything looks, you know, according to plan. And then I always get an extra bag, so if I'm gonna need 10 bags, I'll get 11 bags just for detail work. So as you can see right here, I'm putting little small detail work around the shrubs and putting mulch around the shrubs so it could look nice. And then we finish it off with the chair, and I just put it dead center. And then right here I actually put the water feature on the right hand side of the house. Then she said she wanted some, like a little walkway, so we went ahead and got some pavers. They're just some rustic white pavers, and I mean, I think they look really nice with the black mulch. And yeah, I got that. That's pretty much it. If you like these videos, guys, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. It does take me a long time to edit these videos, so if I could get a like, I'll really appreciate it. But like I said, guys, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.